In this video, I will show you how to log out Messenger. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. We can log out of Messenger in two ways. Please watch the full video not to make any mistake. First one is, if you have a Facebook app installed on your phone, then we can log out Messenger from the Facebook app. Open Facebook app and tap on the three lines icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on the gear icon to access the settings menu. Now tap on password and security option. Next, within where you are logged in, tap see all. Here you will see the logins. This one is Facebook app login and this one is Messenger app login. Tap the three dots next to Messenger app login and tap logout. You will be logged out from Messenger app. Now the second way. Go to your phone settings. Next, find app. And tap on it. Now tap app management and search for the Messenger app. Tap on it. Next, tap storage uses. Tap clear data. Tap delete. And your Messenger app data will be deleted, which will log you out from Messenger. That's it guys. Hope you found the video helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.